Why the
Lower
fuck did you
Capilano
not
River to
activate?
intercoastal city of Louisiana from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Eugene Island 24, or 13 nautical miles southeast of Marsh Island, moving southwest at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include South Marsh Island 239, South Marsh Island 249, Eugene Island 24, South Marsh Island 268, Eugene Island 100, Eugene Island 28, South Marsh Island 243, Eugene Island 107, Eugene Island 108, Eugene Island 63, Eugene Island 30, Eugene Island 74, Eugene Island 95, Eugene Island 32, Eugene Island 42, and Eugene Island 53. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.